Hi. It's been not so long actually. Um I I had a video I was planning on uploading. I made it last week and I was literally spiraling, and yeah, I was drunk in that video, and yeah, I was just ranting, but I've decided not to share that one because I don't want to make a fool of myself. Anyways, today I want to speak about um um basic human needs. I want to argue that it's not insane to just want people in your life. So I'm doing very well for these past 5 days. I've been doing very well, and essentially what happened is that I made a friend, right? And I feel so much better because I think my whole depression basically was just me being lonely, and I kept to like make myself feel better. I would watch videos, online essays, advice, and everyone was like, you don't need friends, you can do well by yourself. You can give the love that other people can bring into your heart to your life, and you can basically generate it yourself. And what else? That you just need to love yourself and do your thing, and your people will find you and whatever. And although I think it's good advice, I genuinely think it's just cope. It's just coping, because at the end of the day, having people around you, no, you don't have more value if there's people to acknowledge you, or if you have more friends or whatnot. But I genuinely think it's just a basic human need, and I would have literally gone insane if I hadn't been. Imagine being unacknowledged every day of your life, and just being by yourself, seeing other people enjoying themselves. And like, to be fair, I did have people in my life. Like, I talk to my family, I talk to my siblings from time to time, I talk to my parents. But the thing is, I just felt, how do I say this? Not understood, because of course I didn't feel understood, but that's not the word I'm looking for. I felt like, you know how people have different friendships, groups, but they have like that one friend that they go to talk to about everything that happens. Yeah, I did not have that, and now I do. Well, not really actually. I don't talk to this person about everything, and I don't even talk to them every day. But I'm just saying, I don't know. It's just so lonely. it's like you're forgotten, and everyone who hangs around you is just trying to do you a favor, or even if not, it's not like this is. It feels temporary, you know. And I am grateful for the people that were in my life and would invite me to stuff. But this sounds messed up, but I feel like it wasn't enough. And yeah, I would spend time convincing myself that I don't need anyone, I can do this by myself. But I don't think I could. I do not think I could survive my whole life by myself, in my own head, not speaking to anybody. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just here to argue that people that say you don't need friends and you have to love yourself are just coping. Yeah. I think it's just basic human need. Or at least for me. Maybe this is just for me. I don't know, I felt unable. Like I would really try hard to make it be at peace with my circumstances. But it was so hard, like physically hard, like mentally hard. I don't know how to explain it. And then that happened, and now I'm happy. Like I'm genuinely happy. And it's crazy because it happened when I was literally spiraling, like I was about to do something bad. And then that happened, and now I'm okay. And it's not even like I'm obsessed with this person, because as I said, we don't even talk it every day. And I haven't heard from this person in like 2 days already. I used to be more obsessed about this person, but something happened, which I will not get into, not today at least. And yeah, now I'm fine. I don't feel dependent on this person, but knowing that someone is there to, I was gonna say validate your existence, but validate is not the right word. Like, I don't know, it just feels so nice to be known, you know, like to vocalize what you have in mind, and someone actually being the receiver of of these words that you vocalize. It's pretty nice, and I don't know if anything can really compare. Journaling didn't help, walking around didn't help, exercising didn't help, eating healthy didn't help. Yeah. Let me know if you agree or disagree, I guess.